In the diagram, the line PQ is parallel to the line RS. Angle QFG is equal to 105 degrees and angle FEG is equal to 50 degrees. Find the value of M. So on this diagram, we are going to find the value of M. When we consider the points E, G, F, we can see that it forms the triangle EGF. One of the properties of angles in a triangle is that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. The interior opposite angles of this exterior angle, which is 105 degrees, are 50 degrees and M. And the property says that an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So what it means is that if we apply this property here, the sum of the interior opposite angles, which is M plus 50 degrees, is equal to the exterior angle here, which is 105 degrees. We can find M from this equation. M will be equal to 105 degrees minus 50 degrees. 105 degrees minus 50 degrees will give us 55 degrees. So the value of M in this diagram is 55 degrees.